वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा लगा, excellent, very good, amazing, and seen the possibilities I can do, awesome, unique, बहुत ज़्यादा unique था, then very good, amazing, something new every day, feeling more energetic, very nice, relaxing, awesome, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सब पढ़ के, feel so good. Okay, now I want you to do one more thing. Put in the chat box how many days of this challenge you have attended. आपने इस challenge में कितना दिन attend किया है, वो भी डालिए. Very well planned sessions, thanks for conducting, good experience, great, enjoy, unique, fantastic, बहुत अच्छा लगा, thank you for this, बहुत धन्यवाद हैं. I missed some sessions but attended most of it. Excellent sessions, 14, 7, 14, 13 to 15, 14, 14, 14, 14, 10, 9, 12. Oh, okay, most of you have attended all the days. 14, 13, 12, 14, 14, 14, 13. Awesome. So most of you have attended all sessions. So feels good. You know, it feels so nice, right? You start up something and you're able to complete it. It feels like you've achieved something. ऐसा लगता है ना कुछ अचीव किया जब पूरा कंप्लीट करते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. Let's begin. Okay. Let's begin with the presentation. Okay. Now today's topic is health and wellness. आज हम health and wellness के ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay. Okay, next slide please. Okay, I want you to type in the comment section what according to you is health. आपके हिसाब से health बने क्या हैं वो बताइए. Okay, you can type in the chat box. आप लिखिए चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए आपके हिसाब से हेल्थ बने क्या है. What is health according to you? Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, nobody is typing the answers yet. I'm just waiting for them. Eating healthy is healthy. Okay. Then health is wealth, sense of well-being, being energetic, life full of happiness, no illness, good health, sound mind, body, स्वस्थ रहना है, मन में शांत होना है, mentally, physically, psychologically, socially being well, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य, being active, overall physical fitness, feeling pleasant from inside out. Awesome, so nice, looks like a very enlightened group. आप सबने इतना अच्छा अच्छा जवाब लिख रहे हैं. Daily yoga is health. I like the answer. Health is wealth. Sound sleep. All right, without medicines we live. That is health. Okay, next slide. Okay. Now, okay, what is health? Okay, there are three pillars according to health. If you want to be really healthy, we have to look into these three things. हम इस तीन चीज के ऊपर हमको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा जब हेल्थ के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो क्या क्या है? Okay, next slide. Food. First thing is food. We are going to be talking about food. सही खाना खाना चाहिए, वो उससे अपना हेल्थ अच्छा रहेगा. राइट. सो फर्स्ट इज विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट फूड. नेक्स्ट इज next slide please. Okay, 1 second, just hold on. Okay, body. Next is body. Okay, so अपना शरीर में कैसे स्वस्थ लेके आए. All right, if you're healthy in the body, how to maintain the health of the body should be functioning optimally. We're going to be looking into it. Next slide please. Mind, मन में कैसा स्वस्थ लेके आएंगे. All right, so we're going to be looking into how to bring health in the mind. मन को कैसे शांत रखें. If you are healthy in these three aspects, then you are healthy. Mind, body and correct food. अपना मन, अपना शरीर और कैसे अपना खाने को ऊपर ध्यान रखना है. Okay, so these three things are the things that we are going to be talking about. Next slide please. Okay, so before we begin, let me introduce myself. हम हमारे बारे में बात करेंगे. For most of you, you know, we have been spending last 14 days together. So my name is Mayur Karthik. I'm a government certified yoga trainer, and I've been teaching yoga for more than 14 years, and I have more than almost 30-40,000 आवर्स ऑफ टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस, 40,000 से ज़्यादा हमने टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस मेरा है, और मैं 14 साल से ज़्यादा योगा सिखाते आ रहा हूँ। मैं फिर योगा ट्रेनर भी हूँ, yoga teacher trainer bhi hu. I train lot of yoga teachers. I've trained more than 5,500 yoga teachers all across the globe. All right, and I've trained more than 2.5 lakh people. 2.5 से ज़्यादा 2.5 लाख से ज़्यादा लोगों को मैं अभी तक योग सिखाए हैं पूरा दुनिया भर। और उसके अलावा मैं एक फिल्म मेकर भी हूँ, कंटेंट क्रिएटर भी हूँ, इंस्टाग्राम में छोटा छोटा कंटेंट भी क्रिएट करता हूँ। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट मी, एंड दिस 14 days हैज़ बीन सच एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस। ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। Okay, we'll be talking about, first is food, know your diet. Okay, first is what are we going to talk? We will talk about diet, खाने के बारे में बात करेंगे. Second, we will talk about improved sleep, नींद के बारे में बात करेंगे. Third is we will be talking about, can we, one second please, can you give me access please? There is no access on my computer. Okay, one second. I'm just fixing the thing. One second. Okay, just hold on for a moment. Okay, so in diet we'll be talking about what to eat, what not to eat. Second is we'll be talking about what are the habits that you can have. Like one is when to eat, when not to eat, कब खाना चाहिए, कब नहीं खाना चाहिए, ये सब के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Alright, and second thing is we'll be talking about, covering about sleep. हम नींद के बारे में बात करेंगे. How to improve the quality of sleep. कैसे अपना नींद का क्वालिटी बढ़ाएंगे उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Alright, and third is we'll be talking about why exercise is important. Exercise क्यों ज़रूरत है उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Alright. Okay, so these are the three things we'll be covering, and the fourth thing is, like most of you have been asking, what next? आगे से हम कैसे इसको continue करें? Alright, this is the fourth thing, and the last is, like most of you have been expecting the face yoga, so we will have face yoga session with Isha ji. Alright, now shall we begin? शुरू करते हैं. Okay, first is we'll quickly finish the presentation and then we'll go to the face yoga. जल्दी से जल्दी हम presentation को खत्म करते हैं, फिर face yoga बात करेंगे face yoga के बारे में. Okay, next slide please. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you 4 tips. मैं आपको 4 tips दूंगा. Alright, क्या क्या हैं? First is क्या खाना चाहिए? Let's see the first tip. Okay, just hold on for a second. I'm just uploading. Okay, sit and drink. First is how to drink water. पानी के बारे में बात करते हैं. When we talk about water, we need to know when to sit and drink. When to drink water, how to drink water. Now, very important thing is many of us stand and drink water. हम बहुत लोग खड़े होके पानी पीते हैं, वो सही नहीं है. So we have to always sit and drink, because when you stand and drink, it puts pressure on the knees. Now, second thing is drink slowly. हम बहुत लोग जल्दी जल्दी से पानी पीते हैं. We gulp the water. That is not good. Why? Because the water has to mix properly with your saliva. अपना saliva के साथ अच्छा से mix होके पीना चाहिए. This is the second tip. And third tip is when you are eating food, make sure you are not when you are eating food, make sure that you are not drinking water 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after. This is very, very important. Is that clear? Right? So do not eat do not drink water very close to your meal time. Why? Because there is this digestive fire called as Jataragni. According to Ayurveda, if this Jataragni is not stimulated, is not active, then it impacts your digestion. अगर Jataragni नीचे चले जाते हैं, फिर अपना digestion ठीक से नहीं होगा. इसलिए हमको पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए इस time gap में. Alright, next is food. Practical tip. क्या क्या खाना चाहिए? देखिए, अब ज़्यादा इंडियन फूड में इफ़ यू सी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कार्ब्स दैट वी टेक. इंडियन फूड में ज़्यादा कार्ब्स, राइस और रोटी खाते हैं, उसका थोड़ा क्वांटिटी कम करिए. आप ज़्यादा की ज़्यादा सब्जी ले लीजिए, दाल ले लीजिए, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज रिड्यूस द क्वांटिटी ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ फाइबर्स, प्रोटीन्स इन आवर फूड. इज दैट क्लियर? Increase it by twice. Now third, it is very important to consume good fats. Good fats माने क्या है? अच्छा fats जो अपना बैड फैट कोलेस्ट्रॉल से हमको मुक्त करता है. दैट रिलीव्स यू फ्रॉम कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड बैड फैट. नट्स, avocado, seeds, all these things have to be added in your food. All right. Now many of us have this habit of waking up in the morning and breakfast time we add some nuts, almonds, walnuts. It's a very good habit. Continue that. All right. Then eat sattvic food. When we say sattvic food, it has to be freshly cooked food. उस खाना को हम freshly cook करना पड़ेगा. Number one. Second, what is considered as stale food? 3-4 घंटे की बाद आप वो खाने के खाते हैं वो जिसको कुक कर दिया है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा अच्छा खाना नहीं है. सो फ्रेशली कुक्ड फूड ही खाना चाहिए. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट इज चू योर फूड. अपना खाने को अच्छा से चबा के खाना पड़ेगा. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्या है, जैसा हम बोलते हैं ना, पानी को स्लोली पीना है, वैसा ही खाने का भी. Like how we say the drink water slowly, food also needs to be nicely chewed, because why? Digestion starts in the mouth. So it has to mix with the saliva. That is very important. Okay. Now, what are the tips towards eating fruits? Fruits को कैसे खाना चाहिए? First is always eat fruits when you are light on the stomach. जब पेट खाली लगता है उसी समय आपको fruits खाना चाहिए. और खाने के पहले खाना चाहिए, खाने के बाद नहीं. It has to be eaten before food, not after food. Now the third thing is do not mix the different tasting foods. See, हमको ये आदत है अलग अलग fruits को काट के एक साथ रख के हम खाते हैं. So we put different kinds of food, we cut them fruits and we eat them together, but that is not a good habit. Like example, orange should not be mixed with apple because they are totally two different tastes. So tastes को mix मत करिए. Is that clear? Yes, do not mix different taste foods. All right. Are you all getting what I'm saying? Yes. Okay, next. Okay, this is very important. See, many of us have issues of acidity, gas, bloating. So this is what will help you relieve from that. ये सब problem से आपको बाहर आने तक क्या करना चाहिए? Every day make sure to eat your food at the same time. रोज आप खाने को एक ही टाइम पे खाना ज़रूरत है. क्यों? अपना बॉडी में एक मेमोरी क्लॉक होता है, उसको पता है कब खाना खाते हैं हम. So our body's memory clock, it knows when we are eating food, right? So it keeps preparing yourself. Okay, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so immediately this is the time this person eats breakfast, so let me prepare the whole body. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yes. So the body prepares itself. So if you don't eat at 10 o'clock, then the acid that is generated to digest the food, it starts eating up the inner walls of the stomach. आप उस समय खाना नहीं खाएंगे, वो जो एसिड है ना वो अपना ही पेट को खाना शुरू कर देते हैं, उससे एसिडिटी आते हैं, अल्सर आते हैं, गैस आते हैं. राइट. सो ईट ऑल द मील्स एट द सेम टाइम एवरी डे. सेकेंड थिंग इज प्रैक्टिस ग्रैटिट्यूड बिफोर मील्स. हम देखिए जब खाना खाते हैं अपना मन अच्छा स्थिति में होना चाहिए. सो व्हेन वी ईट फूड आवर माइंड शुड बी इन अ गुड स्पेस. Alright, so what we need to do, pray, close your eyes just for a moment, thank everybody who has given the food. So simple phrase that you can chant is Annadhata Sukhi Bhava. You can chant this. What does it mean? Gurudev taught this. Means whoever has made this food or whoever has grown this food, whoever has cooked this food, let everybody be happy. So कोई भी खाना बनाया, कोई उगाया ये खाने का, वो सब खुश रहे. Alright. So that's what is a simple chant you can do, Annadata Sukhi Bhava. And according to Ayurveda, you would have seen this in the Dinacharya session, you need to follow your lunch has to be the biggest meal, your breakfast and the dinner has to be a small meal. Ayurveda के हिसाब से क्या है, अपना lunch सबसे बड़ा meal होना चाहिए और dinner और breakfast कम होना चाहिए. समझ आया? क्योंकि आप देखिए you need to understand how the sun moves. When the sun is at the prime, that is when our meal has to be the biggest, because digestive fire also is strongest at that time. इसलिए हमको लंच बड़ा रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सूरज के हिसाब से ही अपना जठराग्नि भी उसी समय उसका प्रकट रूप में होता है. All right. So this is the habits. Now what to avoid, what to add. Okay, these are the common things we cook our food with. ये कॉमन चीज़ है जिससे हम खाना बनाते हैं. पहला चीज़ है रिफाइंड ऑयल्स, एडिबल ऑयल या palm oil. All these things needs to be avoided. Now refined oil, what happens? The oil is heated again and again to make it so thin, and so much chemicals are added to remove the odor. Alright, so refined oil is the worst thing that you can use for the body. So use cold pressed oils. Cold pressed oils, coconut oil, then till oil, all these things are very good. Alright, but it has to be cold pressed. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकंड इज पैकेज फूड्स बिल्कुल अवॉइड करिए. लॉट ऑफ प्रिजर्वेटिव्स आर एडेड, lot of oil, lot of preservatives are added in the packaged food. So if you want snacks, please go back to homemade snacks. आप खुद ही रेसिपी करके आप घर से ही खाना बनाइए. समझ आया? घर से ही स्नैक्स भी बनाइए. थर्ड, मैदा, रिफाइंड फ्लोर मैदा. अगेन लॉट ऑफ केमिकल्स हैव बीन यूज्ड एंड फाइबर्स हैव बीन रिमूव्ड, सो इट इंक्रीजेस द बॉडी ग्लूकोज वेरी क्विकली. अपना शरीर में ग्लूकोज लेवल को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा कर देते हैं मैदा, और बहुत केमिकल्स ऐड किया है उसमें, उसको भी अवॉइड करिए. सो इसकी अल्टरनेटिव क्या है? ईट होल ग्रेन्स. पूरा ग्रेन्स होता है ना जिससे प्रोसेस नहीं किया है, वो यूज़ करिए. एग्जाम्पल मिलेट्स, लिटिल मिलेट्स कहते हैं, ऑलराइट, और बकवीट, बार्ली, रागी, ज्वार, ऑल these things are good alternatives towards maida. That's very important. And white sugar avoid करिए. You may avoid white sugar because white sugar again chemically processed and so many chemicals added, not good for the body. You can add raw sugar. Now again, adding raw sugar does not mean that because it's raw sugar you can eat more. No, sugar is still sugar. Eat it judicially. Wherever it is needed, only eat that much. हम बोलते हैं वाइट शुगर नहीं खाना है, चलो जागरी बहुत खूब खाते हैं क्योंकि जागरी अच्छा है. ऐसा नहीं है, उसमें केमिकल्स कम है, बट लेकिन शुगर शुगर ही है. ठीक है, उसको भी कम जितना चाहिए उतना ही खाना चाहिए. और लास्ट, टेबल सॉल्ट. टेबल सॉल्ट इज बेसिकली ऑल द केमिकली ट्रीटेड सॉल्ट. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन गो फॉर रॉ सॉल्ट. जो फ्रेश सॉल्ट होता है ना, जिसमें केमिकल्स ऐड नहीं किया, प्यूरिफाई नहीं किया, उसमें ज़्यादा मिनरल्स भी होते हैं. सो लॉट ऑफ मिनरल्स ऑल्सो देयर व्हेन सॉल्ट इज नॉट treated or purified, cleansed using chemicals. All right, is that clear? These are some changes you can do. So if you follow these basic tips, right, then you will be healthy. आप इस जो बेसिक चीज़ को फॉलो करेंगे आप अच्छा स्वस्थ रह पाएंगे. ऑलराइट, अभी देखिए जो हमारा पसंद का खाना है वो सारा इसी चीज़ से बना हुआ है. इफ़ यू नोटिस ऑल द फूड दैट वी लाइक आर मेड फ्रॉम दीज फूड्स ओनली, राइट. Like example, all the chips, biscuits that we like eating, all the snacks, that is all made from this. Now how to avoid the craving? उससे हमको राग होता है ना खाने के ऊपर, वो सब इसी से बनाए. कैसे इसको रुकें? How to stop this? All right, the answer is daily yoga. So when you practice yoga every day, it releases happy hormones. It like endorphin, serotonin, dopamine, so which keeps you naturally feeling good. So you don't need the craving to satisfy, generate this feel good hormones by eating all these things. जब आप रोज योग करते हैं, अपना ही शरीर से ये हैप्पी हार्मोन्स कहते हैं वो सेक्रेट होता है, उससे हम खुश रह पाएंगे, अच्छा महसूस कर पाएंगे. से हमको ये खा के हमको अच्छा महसूस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. Have you noticed something? When you're exercising, when you're doing yoga regularly over a period of time, naturally you want to eat healthy. You don't want to eat junk food. How many of you notice this? अब देखिए रोज योगा करते आइए योग, ये कुछ दिन के बाद ऐसा लगेगा आपको अच्छा हेल्दी खाना ही खाने के लिए मन लगता है, ये जंक फूड खाने का मन नहीं लगता है. समझ आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? सो क्यों? क्योंकि अपना शरीर से ये फील गुड हार्मोन सेक्रेट होता है. समझ आया? सो व्हेन यू डू योगा एवरी डे, इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू कंट्रोल द फूड क्रेविंग. यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? यस. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू स्लीप. अभी नींद के बारे में बात करेंगे. ओके, आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड कमेंट्स. विल टेक द क्वेश्चंस एट द एंड. हाँ, क्वेश्चंस हम थोड़ा लास्ट में लेते हैं. अभी हम वापस प्रेजेंटेशन में जाएंगे. ऑलराइट, ओके. नींद, स्लीप. मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन स्लीप दीस डेज. हम नींद के ऊपर बहुत सारी प्रश्न हैं. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्लीप प्रॉपर्ली, आई एम नॉट एबल टू फॉल asleep क्विकली, my sleep is disturbed. Now how to improve my sleep? नींद को कैसे बढ़ाएं? Okay, I have a question for all of you. How many of you here sleep after 11 PM? रात को 11 बजे के बाद कितने लोग सोते हैं? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइप करिए. You can type in the comment section. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, how many of you sleep after 11 o'clock? So if you sleep before 11 o'clock, you can write before 11, after 11, you can write after 11. I'm just waiting for your answers. 11, yes, 10:30, 12, me. Oh, so many of you are sleeping after 11 o'clock. Okay, that's not, I slept at 11:30, 12 o'clock. Oh, this is not good. I'll tell you why. ये सही नहीं है. क्योंकि अब देखिए ना, नींद का क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. सी इफ देयर इज वन थिंग दैट वी कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन लाइफ, इट इज ओके कम सोते हैं, आई विल सैक्रिफाइस माई स्लीप बिकॉज आई वांट टू वॉच द मूवी और आई वांट टू वर्क एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स. मूवी देखना चाहते हैं, काम करना चाहते हैं, नींद को सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं. बट अब देखिए, इन 24 आवर्स ऑलमोस्ट 1/3 ऑफ योर टाइम यू आर स्पेंडिंग स्लीपिंग. नेचर हैज डिजाइंड इट फॉर अ पर्पस. अब देखिए, प्रकृति ने ऐसा 24 आवर्स में अपने 8 घंटा तो सो ही रहे. क्यों ऐसा एक प्रोसेस रखा है? क्योंकि इसी से ही अपना शरीर रिचार्ज होता है. दिस इज व्हेन आवर बॉडी रिचार्जेस इटसेल्फ. ऑलराइट, नाउ when you're rested only then your immunity is very good. जो लोग अच्छा सोते हैं उनका इम्यूनिटी अच्छा रहता है. ऑलराइट, एंड थर्ड, सही समय से भूख लगता है. रैंडम टाइम में नहीं, सही समय पे भूख लगता है. राइट, यू फील हंग्री एट द करेक्ट टाइम, नॉट एट रैंडम टाइमिंग्स. एंड मोर ओवर दोस हु स्लीप लेट, वी टेंड टू ईट लेट इन द नाइट. दैट इज द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी कैन डू फॉर बॉडी. लेट सोते हैं ना उन लोग का, हमको आदत होता है कुछ रात तक खाते रहें. सो वो सबसे खराब आदत होता है. और हार्मोनल रेगुलेशन के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. इफ़ योर हार्मोन, इफ यू वांट टू बैलेंस द हार्मोन्स इन द बॉडी, you will have to sleep properly. All right, now mental health. Now what is the importance of mental health? Right, your mind, have you noticed something? If you don't sleep properly, next day you are so frustrated, you are so irritated, you get angry very quick, your mood is not all right, चिड़चिड़ापन होता है, जल्दी से गुस्सा आते हैं, सुनने का क्षमता ठीक से नहीं होता है, your observation is not good, your concentration is not good. You notice something like this? Yes, right, आपने इसको ऊपर ध्यान दिया. That's why सही सोना पड़ेगा. Now important is to sleep before 11 o'clock. Why? Because actually from 10 to 2, if you have seen in Dinacharya session, we saw it's the time of Pitta Prakriti. रात को 10 बजे से 2 बजे तक पित्ता प्रकृति एक्टिवेट रहते हैं. That is the time when your liver is functioning properly. The liver is detoxing the body, but if you are awake, the liver is not able to do its job properly. So body is not detoxing. That is why it is very important, max to max by 11, 10:30 is very good. By maximum 11 o'clock you should be asleep if you want to detox your body. अगर आपका शरीर को detox करना चाहते हैं आप, क्या करना है? 11 बजे की पहले ही सो जाइए. ओके, मैं आपको 5 टिप दूंगा, इससे आपका नींद क्वालिटी बढ़ेगा. आई विल बी गिविंग यू 5 टिप्स. फ्रॉम दिस योर sleep quality will improve. First, very important, you have to set a proper sleep schedule. Right, रोज एक ही टाइम पे सो जाएं, एक ही टाइम पे उठ जाएं. इससे क्या होगा? अपना बॉडी क्लॉक ठीक रहेगा. फ्रॉम दिस योर बॉडी क्लॉक विल बी फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली. नंबर 1. राइट, सेकेंड, अर्ली डिनर. देयर शुड बी एटलीस्ट 3 hours गैप between your sleep time and dinner time. So if you are going to be sleeping by 10:30, your dinner should be finished by 7:30. आप 3 घंटा गैप होना चाहिए डिनर और स्लीप टाइम के बीच में. अगर आप 10:30 बजे सो रहे हैं, 7:30 के पहले आपको खाना खत्म करना ही चाहिए. आयुर्वेदा के हिसाब से भी आप देख आता ना, सूरज के साथ हमको खाना खाना चाहिए. वी आर सीन इन आयुर्वेदा दैट यू हैव टू ईट फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू सनसेट टाइम. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट, reduce lights. This is very important. The intensity of the light, especially all the white lights at home, you need to change it to yellow lights. घर पे जो white lights होता है ना, उसको आपको yellow light में convert करना रात में sunset के बाद, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Reason being, see, there is a hormone called as melatonin that is called as a sleep hormone. Melatonin secretes itself from the brain only when it is night time. But when there is white light around, the brain is still thinking it is daytime. So it postpones or it delays the secretion of melatonin. This reduces the sleep quality. Are you understanding what I'm saying? अब देखिए, white light से क्या होता है, अपना मस्तिष्क को लगता है अभी भी दिन है. फिर अपना मस्तिष्क से एक हार्मोन होता है मेलाटोनिन, जिसकी वजह से अपना नींद शुरू होता है. उसको लेट कर देते हैं सेक्रेट करने में, क्योंकि उसको लगता है अभी भी दिन ही है. इसलिए हमको क्या करना है? हमको व्हाइट लाइट इंटेंसिटी को कम करना है और इसको पूरा येलो चेंज करिए और थोड़ा कम ही रखिए. सो ब्रेन को रहे, ओ अभी रात हो गया, अभी सोने के टाइम आ गया. सो इट फील्स टू द ब्रेन दैट ओके, नाउ इट इज नाइट टाइम, सो आई हैव टू गो टू स्लीप. सो दैट्स व्हाई योर गैजेट्स, फोन, एवरीथिंग, 1 hour बिफोर स्लीप टर्न इट ऑफ. ऑलराइट, एंड डू सम रिलैक्सिंग एक्टिविटी लाइक रीडिंग अ बुक और जस्ट लिसनिंग टू सम म्यूजिक और सोक योर फीट इन सम हॉट वाटर. All right, और विपरीत करनी you can do some these kind of activities. हल्का हल्का सा एक्टिविटी रखिए. All right, now दिन में 20 मिनट के लिए सनलाइट लेना बहुत ज़रूरत है. यू हैव टू टेक सनलाइट फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स इन द डे टाइम, बिकॉज दैट हेल्प्स यू टू improve your sleep quality in the night, because sunlight gives vitamin D, and vitamin D helps in so many restorative activities. Are you getting what I'm saying? Sunlight से अपना नींद quality रात में बढ़ेगा. Alright, now next thing is daily exercise. Yoga is very important. Why? See, when you exercise, it increases the circulation in the body, the brain gets proper nutrition supply. Alright, the heart is healthy, pumping is happening, and the brain does something called as glymphatic clearance in the night. That is when the brain is pushing out all the toxins, and this can be good only when the circulation is proper. व्यायाम करने से अपना मस्तिष्क अच्छा से काम कर पाएंगे रात में, उसका उसमें जो भी आमा है शरीर से, मस्तिष्क से वो पूरा उस बाहर फेंक सकते हैं. समझ आ गया? इसलिए दिन में थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज, थोड़ा व्यायाम, थोड़ा योग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then when you are doing breathing techniques, meditation, it also releases stress, so then you are able to relax and go to sleep. अपना तनाव से भी मुक्त मिलेगा आपको. Alright, इससे नींद ठीक से आएगा. Alright, समझ आ गया? This two is clear. Now we are going to lifestyle and movement, the third thing. Alright, movement. It is, I'm going to be asking a question. आप सबका एक प्रश्न पूछने वाला मैं अभी. क्या है? Okay, what is the most dangerous for our health? आप देखिए इधर इस इमेज को देखिए. Look at this image. There is alcohol, there is burger, there is Coca-Cola, Coke, cigarettes, mobile phone. इस सब में खतरनाक चीज़ क्या है अपना शरीर के लिए, हेल्थ, स्वास्थ्य के लिए? Which is the most dangerous thing in this picture for our health? Please type in the chat box. I'm just waiting for your answers. Lifestyle, all the above. Some of you are writing chair, everything, mobile, all sitting is new smoking, mobile phone, sedentary lifestyle, chair. Yeah, many of you know the answer. Yeah, I think I need to change the slide then. Yes, the answer is chair. Chair is the most problematic thing in this picture. It is called as sitting is new smoking. हम सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल, मूवमेंट नहीं करते ना, इससे ही ज़्यादा बीमारी आते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज टू मूव, राइट? सो इफ यू डोंट मूव, द होल बॉडी बिकम्स स्टिफ, circulation goes down, toxins don't go down. You remember we did the detox session, lymphatic drainage, we spoke about it. Your lymphatic system does not have a heart. It depends solely on muscle movements to throw the waste out from the body. Now imagine the waste is stuck inside the body and how much problem it will create to you. हमने lymphatic detox session में देखा था ना, उसमें एक हृदय नहीं है. So जब मांसपेशियां खींचता है फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, फिर ही उसी से ही आमा शरीर से बाहर होता है. सो हम मूव ही नहीं करते हैं, क्या होता है वो आमा पूरा अंदर ही रह जाते हैं, पूरा शरीर को खराब कर देते हैं. सही है ना? सो मूवमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाह, फर्स्ट इफ यू डोंट मूव इट क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम इन द बॉडी. शरीर में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. क्या क्या है? मसल्स वीक हो जाते हैं, जॉइंट्स स्टिफ हो जाते हैं, पेन आ जाती हैं, और वेट गेन, अचानक से वेट गेन ऊपर चले जाते हैं, और ब्लड सर्कुलेशन कम हो जाते हैं. सही है ना? सो ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स हैपेंस, योर पुअर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, unnecessary weight gain, all these things happens. And on the mind level, it impacts your emotions, right? We saw, no, all those feel good happy hormones, they don't get secreted when you don't exercise. Then what happens? Mind is dull. अपना मन भी थोड़ा dull हो जाते हैं, right? Now emotional, what are the things that can happen? Sleep is not proper, you're not able to sleep properly because there's a lot of restlessness in the body when you don't exercise. When the restlessness is there, it is so disturbed. शरीर में बहुत रेस्टलेसनेस हो जाते हैं. यू फील लो ऑन एनर्जी, यू फील डल, यू फील हैवी, यू आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस, राइट? तनाव, नेगेटिव थॉट्स, ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम हैपेंस व्हेन यू डोंट मूव द बॉडी. इसलिए एक्सरसाइज करना, व्यायाम करना, योग करना बहुत ज़रूरत है. ऑलराइट, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस लीड्स टू लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस लाइक ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज, hypertension. Name all these lifestyle diseases. All these things starts because of sedentary lifestyle, because we are not having an active lifestyle. हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल को इतना धीमी धीमी डल कर दिया, इसकी वजह से पूरा लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर्स आते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दैट्स व्हाट द रिसर्च आल्सो स्टेज. रिसर्च यही कहते हैं. अब क्या एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हैं, सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से इतना डिप्रेशन है, इतना हार्ट इश्यूज हैं, डायबिटीज इशू है, वी सफर फॉर सो मेनी ऑफ दिस डिजीजेस बिकॉज ऑफ द sedentary lifestyle. I know many of you are thinking in your mind, oh, when will we have the face yoga session? We will have the face yoga session. Just another 10 minutes, we will be done with the session. All right, 10 मिनट में हम सेशन खत्म कर लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद फेस योगा करेंगे. All right. Next, so what is the solution if you want to be healthy, fit and happy? क्या solution है? आप सबको पता है क्या करना चाहिए अगर स्वस्थ रहना है तो? Right, the answer is yoga. Right, why? देखिए क्यों? योग रोज करने के लिए एक आदत बनाना, मेकिंग अ हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग योगा. व्हाई? व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स? फर्स्ट इज इट, वी ऑलरेडी सॉ, इट हेल्प्स यू टू अवॉइड फूड क्रेविंग्स. फूड क्रेविंग से हमको बचाने के लिए मदद करता है, नंबर 1. सो जंक फूड नहीं खाएंगे हम, नंबर 1. सेकेंड इज गेटिंग गुड डीप साउंड स्लीप. अच्छा नींद क्वालिटी आने के लिए मूवमेंट करना, प्राणायाम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑलराइट, एंड कीप्स द बॉडी फिट, सही वेट रहता है बॉडी का, एंड जॉइंट्स हेल्दी रहता है, सर्कुलेशन बड़ा होता है. राइट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर टेकन केयर व्हेन यू डू योगा एवरी डे. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, यू नो व्हाट इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. आप घर से ही कर सकते हैं. राइट, आपको सिर्फ एक योगा मैट चाहिए और बस एक इंस्ट्रक्टर टीचर चाहिए, आप साथ साथ कर सकते हैं. सही है ना? यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, राइट? सो द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट योगा इज इट्स सो ईजी टू डू, बहुत आसान है. राइट, ओके. नाउ व्हाट आर यू विलिंग टू डू फॉर योर हेल्थ, फिटनेस एंड हैप्पीनेस? आप क्या करने के लिए तैयार हैं अपना स्वास्थ्य के लिए, अपना फिटनेस लेवल्स के लिए, अच्छा और खुश रहने के लिए? व्हाट आर यू रेडी टू डू? आप बताइए मुझे, यू टेल मी. बताइए बताइए बताइए, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. टेल मी. What are you willing to do? You all know that your health is important, your mental peace is important, but what are you ready to do? Right? आप सबको पता है अपना स्वास्थ्य रहना है, अपना मन का स्थिति खुश रखना है, क्या करना चाहिए? Yes, answer is yoga. To do yoga every day, yoga meditation every day, like how we do brush our teeth, दंत मंचन करते हैं ना, ये दांत की स्वास्थ्य के लिए, वैसा ही अपना शरीर और मन की स्वास्थ्य के लिए योग करना है. Like how we do brushing every day for dental hygiene, we do yoga for mental hygiene. All right, making yoga a daily habit, that is the solution. All right, now we will see come to the fourth part just before the face yoga starts. face yoga के पहले हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. How to continue this practice from tomorrow? कल से इस practice को कैसे continue रखें? Now you all enjoyed the 14 days. आप सबको इस 14 दिन अच्छा लगा? Yes, many of you have been writing, we want to continue the practice, right? So we have something called as the Shish Yoga daily classes that happens every day online. हम रोज शिश योगा ऑनलाइन में सिखाते हैं, मैं और ईशा सिखाती हूँ. Right, we both of us teach. All right, so in those classes we have different topics. We have flexibility on one day, we have strength and toning, we have stamina endurance, we have health, weight management, relaxation, rejuvenation, and Sunday we have live question answers. Like you saw this, right? आपने देखा होगा, right? हमने कितना अलग अलग योगासना किया है, अलग अलग थीम्स पे काम किया है, राइट? हमने लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज में काम किया है, वे फैट लॉस के ऊपर काम किया है, स्ट्रेंथनिंग, वी वर्कड ऑन स्ट्रेंथनिंग, वी वर्कड ऑन फैट लॉस, वी वर्कड ऑन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, वी वर्कड ऑन स्लीप, like that. All these sessions we have it on different days, and on Sunday we have question answer session, right? And this is a holistic practice of yoga. So what we are doing is holistic. See, it's not just asanas we are doing, we need to understand that, because asana is just like eating only rice. You need sabzi, you need sambar curd, because I'm a South Indian, I'm telling you all these examples, right? You need all these things to enhance the nutrition value and the taste of the food, right? Asanas is like the rice, but you need all other things. You need to do mudras, you need to do pranayamas, you need to integrate the wisdom of yoga, you need to do yoga nidra. So our sessions are holistic, we have everything together, right? Now, so we come to the main part of the presentation. So you can join with us on daily Shish Yoga classes from tomorrow. कल से आप join कर सकते हैं. So you understood the importance of health, right? Now, so we have 3 main packages for you to join us. आप सबके लिए 3 main packages हैं. First package is the 1 year package, and second is the 6 months package, and third is the 3 months package. Now, 1 year package, what are the things that you will get? You will get 6 days of daily yoga and weekly Q&A. ऑलराइट, और ऑल दिस पैकेजेस, सारा पैकेज में 6 दिन हम योग करेंगे. और कितने टाइमिंग्स में करेंगे? हम 10 टाइमिंग्स में योग करेंगे रोज. वी विल बी डूइंग एट 10 टाइमिंग्स. मॉर्निंग 5 AM द सेशन स्टार्ट. सुबह 5 बजे शुरू हो जाते हैं. 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM, देन 11 AM and 12 PM, then evening 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM. And each and every session is 50 minutes. एक सेशन में 50 मिनट है. हम कितना बार योग करते हैं? 10 सेशन है. आप कोई भी सेशन में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ज्वाइन एनी ऑफ दिस सेशंस. ऑलराइट, सुबह 5 बजे से लेके शाम को 7 बजे तक 10 सेशंस टाइमिंग रहेगा. ऑलराइट, सो 1 year पैकेज इज माय फेवरेट पैकेज. सो बिकॉज व्हाट ऑल यू गेट, the actual cost of the program is 15,599, but because you all attended the challenge, you are getting at a 68% discount of just 4,999 only. एक साल योग करने के लिए, रोज योग करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ 4,999 देना पड़ेगा. बस इतना ही है. ये हम कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग दैट वी कैन डू फॉर आवर हेल्थ. And what are the things you will get under this? First is unlimited classes. Every day there are 10 timings. You can attend any of the session. You can attend 2 sessions, 3 sessions also. All right, and every session will be theme based, like how we saw flexibility, strength, fat loss, then strength building, health. All these topics will be there. That is first. Then second is we also have monthly master class. हर महीना देर आर 12 मास्टर क्लासेस टोटली. 12 मास्टर क्लासेस हैं. वो हर महीने में एक मास्टर क्लास होगा. व्हाट आर द मास्टर क्लासेस वी विल सी. ऑलराइट, देन यू विल गेट 5 बोनस ई बुक्स. आपको 5 बोनस ई बुक्स मिलेगा और 3 मिनी प्रोग्राम्स मिलेगा इसमें. व्हाट आर द 3 मिनी प्रोग्राम्स वी विल सी. एंड ऑल्सो 1 month फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑन द AOL ऐप you will get. All right. Now, second comes is the 6 months program. 6 months program, again at a discounted price, you get only at 3,999. Again, you get unlimited classes. You get weekly Q&A session, monthly master class, bonus ebooks, and 3 mini programs. And 3 months we will do. The cost is 2,999, which is again you get all the yoga classes are there, question answer sessions, master classes, and you get ebooks. These are the different packages. I would recommend you go for the 1 year package because there are more than almost 12,000 people doing yoga with us every day. हमारा साथ 12,000 लोग रोज योग कर रहे हैं. इन लोगों का इतना अच्छा अनुभव है. मैं अभी वो भी दिखाऊंगा. I will show you some of the experiences. It's going to be such a beautiful journey for your health and mental health, right? And it is starting tomorrow morning. That's the best part. कल सुबह ही शुरू हो जाएगा. आपको ब्रेक लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. So you all have made this habit. So stick to the habit of doing yoga every day. रोज योग करने के एक आदत बना दीजिए. Alright. Now master classes, monthly master classes का topic क्या रहेगा? These are all special sessions from expert doctors and industry experts. अलग अलग doctors और experts से ये monthly master class रहेगा. We will do the spine care session. Then we'll do simple lymphatic drainage. Then Jal Neti. Many of you have been asking about nasal allergies, right? We'll be teaching a yogic technique called Jal Neti, how to do it. Then self abhyanga, how to do oil massage which releases the unnecessary vata in the body according to Ayurveda. Then we'll give you introduction about Ayurveda, mind management, eye health, knee health, self osteopathy, heart health, cholesterol. Then we'll also discuss a little bit about yoga philosophy, diabetes awareness. All these master classes, we will have different master classes once every month. These are the master classes. ये सब आपको मिलेगा. You get all these things. Again, once again, I'm repeating: 1 year package, 6 months package, 3 months package. 1 year package is just 4,999, and 6 months package is 3,999, and 3 months package is 2,999. We will do yoga 6 days a week, and 7th day will be either a master class or a Q&A session, live Q&A session. And the timings, there are 10 batches in the day. We start at morning 5 o'clock. सुबह हम 10 सेशन से एक दिन में सुबह 5 बजे शुरू करते हैं. 5 बजे, 6 बजे, 7 बजे, 8 बजे, 11 बजे, 12 बजे, 4 बजे, 5 बजे, 6 बजे और 7 बजे. 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m., 11 a.m., then 12 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. These are the different timings, and you can attend any batch, any session, and each session is 50 minutes. 50 minute का है एक session. Alright. Now, okay, now what are the mini programs? Mini programs क्या क्या हैं? We saw that, so the uniqueness is in 1 year package you get 3 mini programs. In 6 months package you get only 1 mini program. In 3 months you don't get any mini program at all. Now what are these mini programs? These mini programs are 2 days program, 2 session program over a period of 2 days. We'll be doing a mini program session on deep sleep to understand our sleep better and how to use yoga to achieve that. Alright, कैसे अपना नींद क्वालिटी बढ़ाएंगे डीप स्लीप के बारे में. PCOD, PCOS, this is a common issue with a lot of women, hormonal imbalance. So we'll be doing a master class for that also. How to take care of these issues, how to help you to balance your hormones. Then gut health session, कैसे अपना पेट का स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहे. We will go much deeper. Yes, we did a session, right? हमने किया था 2-3 दिन पहले, वैसे ही उससे भी ज़्यादा गहराई में जाएंगे gut health के बारे में. Alright, and also see how yoga can help you. Alright, now how to register. मैं आपको, I'll quickly show you the registration process. It's very simple. I'll just quickly show you. Then we'll take some questions. Then we'll go to the face yoga part. Alright, आपको जल्दी से जल्दी आपको मैं registration कैसे करना है वो दिखा देता हूँ. WhatsApp खोलिए. You would have received the message. Now open the message and click the link in the message. वो message में link होगा, उसको click करिए. It will take you to the registration. Open your WhatsApp. WhatsApp खोलिए. You would have received the message. Now open the message and click the link in the message. वो message में link होगा, उसको click करिए. It will take you to the registration page. In the registration page you have all the membership plans. सारा membership plans होगा. वहाँ example 1 year का click करिए. I click the 1 year and it takes you to the payment gateway. Payment gateway में आप अपना नाम डालिए, first name, second name, put your name and put the correct WhatsApp number because all the communication will happen here. सही WhatsApp number डालिए और सही email also. Correct email ID because all the communication henceforth from here onwards will happen here. यहाँ इसी email में ही होगा और postal code, age and choose the package. Package को choose करिए and click the pay button. And you will have all the options, different kinds of options to use to pay. अलग अलग options मिलेगा आपको pay करने के लिए. All right. So is that clear? Yes. Are you understanding? So okay. So these classes will be on YouTube, just like how we did. ये सारा classes YouTube में रहेगा जैसे हमने ये पूरा 14 days का challenge किया. Like how we did the entire challenge. The entire classes will be on YouTube, all the batches will be on YouTube and same it will be like a mixture of Hindi and English और हिंदी इंग्लिश जैसा 14 days challenge था वैसे ही रहेगा, कुछ भी बिल्कुल changes नहीं रहेगा और classes मेरे साथ और ईशा जी के साथ ही रहेगा. So the classes will be conducted by myself and Isha. Alright, so there is no change. Exact experience of how you got during the 14 days challenge, the same you will have during the classes also. The medium will be YouTube, language will be Hindi and English, teachers will be Isha and myself. Alright, is this clear? Okay, so once again let's go for some questions. Okay, questions ले लेते हैं हम अभी. Okay, what timing is better? Mangala is asking. The timings would be up to you. If you are a morning person, you can do it in the morning. If you're an afternoon person, you can do it in the afternoon. If you're a homemaker especially, or you want to go to office, you leave the office early, you come back late home, then you can do it in the evening. So you do according to whenever you have time. That's the most important thing. All right.
So okay, few people are asking if there's an installment option, EMI option.
There is no EMI option as of now. So you will have to choose one package that suits you. Okay, there is an upgrade option also. We can upgrade, but that's after only you register. I can't understand Hindi, Karthikeyan. So you're understanding English, right? Because I'll be talking in both, like how we have conducted the session in both languages. We'll be talking in both languages, so you don't have to worry. What if we miss a class of weekly classes due to traveling, Hemlata? The classes are going to happen every day. Alright, even if you miss a day, you can start from the next day because there is no break. The only break is on Sunday, and Sunday also we'll be doing a Q&A session. All right, so don't worry about it.
So the,
Okay, Rekha is asking, will we get recordings of those sessions later, sir? No, you don't have to worry about recordings because look at the timings. आप timings को देखिए ना, 5 o'clock है morning. Can we go put that slide there, please? Yeah, the timings, you see the timings, no? 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have so many timings options, so you don't need recording. Okay, please send the link. Okay, the link is also put on the, you see the chat box, it is pinned there. Can we keep the slide, please? It's okay. Yes. You will see the link that is pinned on the comment section. You can join, register from there also, or the registration link is also there in the description. आप डिस्क्रिप्शन से ही आप रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक ढूंढ सकते हैं. आपका व्हाट्सएप में भी आया होगा. वी विल पुट इट इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द links. Okay, not received the registration link in WhatsApp. Don't worry, we'll put it in WhatsApp. You can register right away. The registration link is pinned on the comment section. You see the black strip with the yellow Shishi School of Yoga, and also down in your you'll find it in the description section. All right, those of you who want to register, you can immediately start.
Indira Nair is asking, I'll be going to London on the 7th. Can I do it from there?
Yes, you can access this from any part of the world because the classes are on YouTube. So whichever part of the world you are from, you can do the session. You don't have to worry about the session. Is it for beginners or advanced level? Anil, we'll be doing the sessions exactly like how we did on the challenge, but as days goes on, the intensity increases. Days jate intensity badega, but we will not go to advanced level. We will stick to maximum intermediate level. There, like you have been seeing, there will always be me and Isha, two teachers. So one of us will be showing a simple version, the other teacher will be showing the normal version. So you can always follow any one of us according to your ability. All right. Which fruits to have? Okay, N is asking which fruits to have to avoid an empty stomach. Any fruit like banana or apple. But don't eat citric fruits in the morning. You can take banana or apple, that's good in the morning.
Shubhda Shrivastava is asking, can I register next month?
You can register definitely, but the offers is available only for today. So, and the classes are starting tomorrow morning. So why wait, right? I know that you might be having some travel here and there, but don't worry about it, just go for it, because the earlier you start, all of us have started this habit of doing yoga every day, right? So why do we want to stop? The moment you take a break, then what happens? Then mind starts giving excuses. So let's not drop this habit. We all have made this habit. Let's go for it. Immediately we can start the practice.
Ruby Benwala is asking, जो per day का yoga routine है वो एक बार और बताइए.
See, from the daily class?
Yeah.
Okay, one second. Let's go back. Let me. Yes. Okay. So what we have is, we have different themes. What are the themes? Okay, this is a holistic yoga, so we will be doing, so we'll be discussing some knowledge, we'll be doing pranayamas, we'll be doing warm-ups, we'll be doing asanas, we'll be doing mudras, we will be doing yoga nidra, meditation. It's a holistic practice. You have seen that during the challenge, right? We'll be discussing, every Monday we'll be going on flexibility. सारा Monday हम flexibility के ऊपर काम करेंगे. Second चीज़ है, every Tuesday we will be working on health, different health topics. It could be heart health, it could be thyroid health, reproductive health, lymphatic drainage, lung health, joint health. And Wednesday, all Wednesdays we will be working on fat loss and metabolism. And all Thursdays we will be working on relaxation, rejuvenation, sleep, विश्राम करने के sessions करेंगे Thursday में. और Fridays we'll be working on again strength and stamina. कैसे हम शरीर को मजबूत बनाएं उसके ऊपर काम करेंगे, स्टैमिना को कैसे बढ़ाएंगे उसके ऊपर काम करेंगे. और सैटरडे वापस हेल्थ, अगेन वी विल डू हेल्थ टॉपिक्स एंड विल बी डूइंग डिफरेंट हेल्थ टॉपिक्स ओवर डिफरेंट डेज ऑफ टाइम. आई विल रिपीट दिस इन हिंदी में बताता हूँ. मंडे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, ट्यूसडे सारा मंडेज. नाउ इवन इन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी विल बी डूइंग डिफरेंट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. वन मंडे विल बी वर्किंग ऑन फुल बॉडी, वन मंडे विल बी वर्किंग ऑन अपर बॉडी, वन मंडे विल बी वर्किंग ऑन लोअर बॉडी, वन मंडे विल बी वर्किंग ऑन स्पाइन. Strength also same, upper body, lower body, core, full body. So we'll be working on different topics on different days. हिंदी में बोलना है तो मंडे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के ऊपर काम करेंगे, ट्यूसडे हमने हेल्थ ऊपर काम करेंगे, हृदय का हेल्थ, फेफड़ा का हेल्थ, जॉइंट्स का जोड़ना का हेल्थ, ये सब हेल्थ के ऊपर हम काम करेंगे। और वेडनेसडे विल बी हमने फैट लॉस के ऊपर काम करेंगे। थर्सडे नींद क्वालिटी, रिलैक्सेशन, रेस्टिंग के ऊपर काम करेंगे। फ्राइडे हम काम करेंगे वापस स्ट्रेंथ, कैसे अपना शरीर को मजबूत बनाएं, और सैटरडे काम करेंगे वापस हेल्थ के ऊपर। एंड ईच सेशन विल बी 50 मिनट्स, एक सेशन 50 मिनट रहेगा। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Harsha ji is asking, can you please send bank details as I cannot do phone pay?
Can you take help of somebody, because you can see the options. आप उधर registration में जाइए, go to the registration, see there are multiple options. Net banking is there, GPay is there, credit is there, UPI is there, अलग अलग payments हैं. You can take help of some of your friends to do that, or family members to do that. Yeah, you'll get everything in the WhatsApp, so the details, so you can do from there also.
Vijay
Okay,
Lakshmi.
Vijay Lakshmi is asking, if not been able to pay and join, kindly suggest other options. Vijay Lakshmi ji, we'll help you. What you can do is, you see the WhatsApp number 9035501942. You can message there. We will help you with how to register. All right. So those of you are not able to register, you're having issues, जिन लोग register नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, कुछ issues हो रहा है, आप नीचे देखिए WhatsApp नंबर है ना 9035501942, उसमें आप मैसेज करिए, हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे। ओके, सो इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड, टाइप आर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। आपने रजिस्टर कर दिया है, आर टाइप करिए, so that we'll know how to register.
Hemlata Solanki is saying, sir, I have paid 4,999.
Okay, awesome. Who was?
Hemlata
Hemlata.
ji.
Awesome, Hemlata. This shows the commitment you are having towards your health. अपना हेल्थ के लिए आप जो ये कमिटमेंट लिया है, ये बहुत बड़े बात है। All right.
Swapna Anand is asking, how are the classes conducted?
The same way, like how you have done the 14 days challenge, the same way classes will be there. All right. Amol is asking, will same exercise be taken on each session during the day? So if I miss, yeah. So the session will be for one particular day, it will be the same. Don't worry that morning will be some different exercise, evening will be different. No. It's the same exercise that will be conducted through that one full day.
Darshini Bain is asking, may I pay in the evening today? I'm out of city.
Yes, within 24 hours you can pay. But remember, the classes start tomorrow morning. So I don't want you to miss the classes. And we can continue our journey even after the 14 days are over. What if I miss a class? Happy Agarwal is asking. Don't worry, Happy. If you miss a class, anyway classes happen every day. So you can continue your practice. Alright, Life of Deepu is asking, can I get a certificate for this course? Well, this is like a daily habit program. Alright, so this is not like a certification program. So for this, we only help you to become better shape of yourself, better mental health. Okay.
Radha is asking, will you be monitoring our workout methods for correction?
Okay, so how do we correct? So we have the live session, because on YouTube the question will be like, how will we be able to see you? So we have a system of email. A lot of our participants, they regularly are in touch with us. They tell us what the issues they have. They talk about, over email we are in touch. They send pictures, then we see and we give feedback. So in that way we are constantly in touch. Okay,
PV is asking,
Arpita is asking, I was not able to join the 14 days challenge. I joined in between. I want to know more before joining. Arpita, yes, like I have already told you, we are going to be doing yoga every day. You heard me, what are the different themes? We are going to be working on different aspects of health, because body has to be flexible, body has to be strong, optimum weight has to be maintained, and different organs we will be working on. So this is going to be a beautiful journey of amazing yoga, right from staying at home with Isha and myself every day on YouTube. Alright, so it's a beautiful opportunity, and it's conducted right from the Art of Living International Center, Bengaluru. So it's centrally managed from here. Alright.
PV is asking, what is the time period for upgrade and how much to pay?
Upgrade, once you register, you will get an email. Within a month you can upgrade, but you will have, if you miss the timeline, then you can't upgrade. Alright. So usually after you register, within 1 month you can upgrade.
Venkat Subramanyam ji is asking, is it suitable for beginners?
Absolutely. So like you did the 14 days challenge, right? So we always have 2 versions, so you can always follow the second teacher. Sarita saying paid 499. Awesome, Sarita.
Santoshi
See you
ji,
tomorrow morning.
Santoshi ji is asking, 2 बार on कर सकते हैं क्या register करने के बाद?
2 बार?
On कर, like can they come for 2 sessions
Yeah,
if they register?
you can come for all sessions. आप सारे सेशन, अगर टाइम है, शरीर में इतना एनर्जी है, आप सारा सेशंस में भी आ सकते हैं आप. Okay, Alpa is asking online we are doing, but how do you know we are doing the correct or wrong? So that's why Alpa. So you have any doubts, you can always email us, because many times it has happened in the past that participants do email us with the picture of their asana and ask feedback. While teaching also, we'll keep giving the correct instructions on how to do the asana. See, the idea is to do yoga every day. रोज योग करने का आदत वो बहुत जरूरी है. हल्का सा इधर उधर है कोई बात नहीं, हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे ईमेल के द्वारा.
Dr.
Will we get a diet chart also? Yes. One of the e-books is on diet. हमको आप सबको 5 e-books मिलेगा, उसमें एक e-book है diet, उसमें modern diet, Ayurvedic diet, simple tips on food, all those things you will get. All right. And also the 12 master classes में there is also diet. Diet is also one of the master class. All right. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So we will be doing a nice session on diet. We have an in-house dietitian who can also guide you over emails, and we have a lot of doctors also. Any questions you have on the emails, our doctors can attend and help you with that. Alright, so you don't have to worry about your health. We will be having immediately after 10 days of the program or 2 weeks of the program, we will have a special masterclass on diet also. Apart from the ebook, you will also have a special masterclass on diet. Alright, just another 5 minutes, we'll take more questions, then we can do the face yoga session. उसके बाद हम face yoga sessions करेंगे.
Dr. Namita Verma is asking if I'll miss the 7 a.m. can I join the 8 a.m. class the same day?
Absolutely, you can join anytime. Alright, don't worry. Is coffee and tea bad for health? Shobha is asking. Well, if you see, anything is okay if it is taken in proper minimal quantity. When you do over, or when you do it, when you eat it wrongly, have it wrongly, then it's a problem. Like having empty all these drinks, empty stomach is not good. All right, but if you're taking it minimally, that is fine. But you're drinking it too much, putting a lot of sugar, and then it's a problem.
Vasant ji is asking, I want to join in Hindi class, please.
So this is it's going to be a mixture of both. We'll be talking, or we'll be taking the sessions in both languages, Hindi and English. So you can join in both classes. Alright, so we'll be talking in both languages, you don't have to worry about it.
Rajshekhar ji is asking, is there an option to change my plan from 3 months to 12 months?
You can, there will be an upgrade option, but you will have to do it within the first month. Okay, so Pushpa is asking, can we take printout of the ebook? The ebooks are in PDF, it's with you, you can take printout. Absolutely yes. Okay, Prasita is asking, sir, if you are going to take the classes on YouTube, how will you know who registered, who did not? So we have a separate channel, and all the daily links will be private links. Only people with the links, that link will be sent only for people who have registered. We have a backend, robust backend system. Everybody cannot access it. Nobody can see the video if they don't have the link. Alright, so don't worry, it has been automated, and only registered people will get the link, others will not get the link. Okay, AOL app means, what is AOL app? Okay, so we have an Art of Living app, which is in which all Gurudev's contents, all bhajans, lot of meditations, lot of e-books, all the spiritual content of Art of Living is there in one place. So you will get, as soon as you register in the first month itself, your access to the Art of Living app, 1 month free access you will have. Sudarshan Kriya will not be included. Dr. Surinder, no, Sudarshan Kriya won't be part of this, but you can do the Sudarshan Kriya after the yoga practice. Alright.
There are a few questions on how can we join any free classes.
Free classes, if you want, on our YouTube channel, we have a lot of different videos, you can do that. Alright, but you want proper guided, planned. If you see, our daily classes are planned in such a way that they attend to all aspects of health. And there is a lot of master classes that are happening, mini programs that are happening, diet support, back-end support with queries. All these things, if you need, then you will have to join the daily classes. That's a very proper systematic approach.
So if we upgrade...
Okay, Angel Munjal is asking, ask 3 times. What is it, Angel? I'm not seeing your question. Can you put it once again? Okay, Shivam is asking, once we make the payment, we will receive the login credentials, or is there a separate platform for paid members? There is no separate platform. You will start receiving your login, there is no login, the daily joining link will start coming to you half an hour before, that is by 4:30 in the morning. Before 4:30 in the morning, you will receive the daily joining link. Every day you will keep receiving the links, so don't worry about it. Okay, next question. I'm not seeing any more questions on general.
Can
For
you make
pregnant ladies, 1 year program suitable or not? Nisha, if you're pregnant, you need a different yoga, all right, not just the regular yoga. So I would recommend you will have to uh, go to a prenatal yoga teacher. That is very important. The regular classes may not suit you.
Learn with Fun is asking, can we access in laptop as well as mobile?
Yes, you can access it on laptop, you can access on tab, you can access on mobile, all those things. You can in fact Chromecast it on TV also, cast it on TV. Jennifer is asking, what if I do yoga thrice a week? Will it be beneficial under this program? Yeah, of course. Even I would say, of course, doing yoga every day is good, but even thrice a week is a good thing that you are doing for your health. Definitely, yes. Can we learn Sudarshan Kriya? Yes, of course. We will also organize program Sudarshan Kriya separately for all of you. Okay, my question is not answered. Vasanti, we have separate classes or specific ailments. Well, if you look at the basic ailments like diabetes, or you can say hypertension, or you want to reduce obesity, most of, or PCOD, PCOS you want to manage, or you want to improve, reduce cholesterol, you go to any yoga, it is always suggested, recommended to do holistic yoga, which we are doing. You need to have pranayam, you need to have asanas, you need to attend to the whole body, and that is what we are doing. So though this is a generic class, but this overall class will help you to improve the health of the overall body. So you don't have to worry. Okay, if you have
So what
registered,
is-
you can type R, so I will know who all has registered.
Neeta ji is asking, what is the 3 mini programs that's
Okay,
going
mini
to be
programs.
in the
What are the mini programs? I will show you. Okay, these are 2-day mini programs. We have deep sleep, PCOD, PCOS, and gut health. These are the 3 mini programs. Each mini program is 2 days, 1 hour every day, and we will be talking some theory. We will be doing some practice session specifically to attend to these themes. All right.
Gopi ji is asking, can I enroll after a month?
You can enroll after a month, but like I told you, the offer is available for today, and classes are starting tomorrow morning. So you can definitely avail it after, but why wait for 1 month, right? When the classes are starting tomorrow, right? Your health can't wait for a month. It has to start continuously.
Sir, कल के बाद registration हो सकता है क्या? Yeah, like
See,
will the offer
registration-
be available?
Okay, Neelgiri registered R, Amol registered R, eager to start. Awesome, awesome. You know, this shows the commitment you all have towards your health. This is very important. आप इस सब से हमको पता चल रहा है आपने कितना अपना स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर आपने ध्यान दिया है, right?
When will be the next free 14 days challenge? And my family members want to join. Will the classes be
We
in
will let
Kannada?
you know about it. We'll let you know about it. You'll get to know. Sudipta Das is asking, Jalneti, can you please address this issue? How to do Jalneti online without any supervision? Don't worry. I'm a TTC trainer. I teach TTCs, and we have online TTCs, and also we teach advanced Kriyas online. Jalneti is not a problem. We will guide you step by step. All you need to do is you simply follow it. All right. We have taught tens of thousands of people Jalneti online, and everything is going to be good. Don't worry about it. All right. Is the recording available? Can I pass the link to my friends? Anita, yes. Evening 6 o'clock you can invite your friends. आप इवनिंग शाम को 6 बजे अपना फ्रेंड्स को आप बुला सकते हैं.
Farida is saying, please answer me. So if she can drop a question, her
What's the
question again.
question, Farida? Okay, Preeti is saying, how is this program different from 200 hours teacher training program? 200 hours. Okay, one good news, EMI option is available for you via credit card. So those of you who asked for EMI, I think it is available. If you have a credit card, through credit card you can take the EMI option. जिन लोगों को EMI option चाहिए, credit card के माध्यम से आप EMI option ले सकते हैं आप. Okay, well, how is it different from TTC? TTC is specifically to become a teacher. So there are a lot of aspects. You will go deeper in philosophy, teaching, and understanding the asana. So you prepare yourself to become a teacher. Whereas this is like an everyday habit of doing yoga for your health and mental peace. All right. So that's the difference.
So there's a question. Can both spouse join with one subscription?
Yes, you can. Ideally, I would say, because it's a YouTube link, ideally if you, one link is good enough, but since 2 people are joining, I would say you should do, ethically you should do 2 registrations. That's the right way to do it, but I leave it upon you. But if more people are joining, 3-4 people, I think I would suggest that you register 3-4 times, but use the same link.
Rayansh is asking, please answer, can we take more than one sessions in a day?
Absolutely, you can take more than one session a day. I know a couple of people are asking about face yoga. Just 5 more minutes, we'll do the face yoga session. Alright,
Vijay
5 minutes.
Lakshmi ji is saying, is there any other option for those who cannot pay?
Like I told you, our YouTube channel is there, so you can do from there. But I would suggest, this is a step that we are taking towards our health, right? So EMI option is there. You take an EMI option, join, all right, or you take the 3-month option, and then over a period of time you can keep extending to 1-year program. I totally understand, get it, but sometimes our health we have to give priority. All right. Now imagine a simple thing. We go out to eat food. All right. We end up spending 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, right? Or you go to watch a movie with friends, right? But this is something that we are doing for our daily health, right? When you are healthy, you don't have to spend on doctor, right? Or else like, one time you fall sick, you go to a doctor, so much money you end up spending, right? So this is like more prevention is better than cure. All right, so take this opportunity to take that step, needed step. You all have experienced 14 days. आपने इसे 14 दिन हमारे साथ किया है. आपको पता है कैसे शरीर में आपको फायदा हुआ है, मन में कैसा फायदा हुआ है. सो एक स्टेप आप अपना हेल्थ के लिए ले लीजिए, लेके दीजिए. देखिए, एक बार you should try it out and you will see so much difference. Okay, I would like to play the testimonial. So एक बार just 30 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड का है. आप देखिए अपना जो कर रहे हैं उनका अनुभव देखिए. Alright, so we'll just quickly
kilo bad fats on my body.
All my
I have lost 11 kilo bad fats on my body.
all my knee pain and sleep disorder, all those things, I'm now free.
I've seen immense change in myself, not only physically but also mentally.
And it is 18 kilometers. But for 9 hours I walked, and that also in Jammu Kashmir Pahadi area.
I lost almost 15 to 16 kgs. Now I am 79. So my BP was 185. Now it reduced to 140. So that too without any medication.
एक एक मेरा जो पार्ट ऑफ द शरीर है वो एनर्जेटिक हम फील करते हैं.
These sessions have become such an integral part of my day, and I look forward to them.
All right. See, that's the experience. Are you seeing? And you see the kind of people come from all age groups, young to the old, and not just for physical health, improving their overall health, any problems they have in the mind to release stress. So it's a holistic group of people that are practicing, and people have lost so much weight. People have gained weight. I mean, depending on how you want to go towards your target goal, people are able to manage so many things in their life, right? They want the energy to do so many hobbies. Everything people are doing these days with the help of these daily Shish Yoga classes, right? So let's not miss this opportunity. This is such a beautiful, beautiful opportunity for us to start the journey towards better health.
So Rekha ji and Malini ji, they are asking, they are from UAE and USA, so they want to know the timings and they want to know, are there recorded sessions also available, because the timings are very different
So
from
these
India
are the
timings.
timings that are on IST, right? So if it's morning for you in the US, you can join in the evening batch in India, and UAE is just a few hours, just 2.5 hours different, so you can attend any of the batch according to your timing, right? So I'll
They
repeat
want
the
to-
timing once again. 5 a.m. This is all IST, this is all timing, so you can see in your country what is the timing that is feasible for you. 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. So these are the different timings.
If I miss a master class, will I get the recording?
Yes, masterclass Q&A session, usually the weekly Q&A session is available because only one timing, it is available for 24 hours, and masterclass, again it is only one time, it happens in a month, so that will be available for 1 full week for you. So in case if you have missed the masterclass, don't worry, you can watch it later also. Only the daily classes you have to attend then and there. If you have missed, don't worry, anyway everyday classes keep happening, so you can join anytime.
Baswaraj is asking, subscription is available for senior citizens also?
Yes, in fact, like you saw the experience of the people. So what senior citizens usually do is they follow the second teacher. Alright, sitting on a chair they can do, taking support of the chair they can do, and using props, doing it very gently. Alright, so definitely senior citizens can join. Many of our participants are also senior citizens. Can I pay monthly? Meghna, using your credit card, there is a EMI option. You can avail the EMI option.
And what is the age limit, lower and the upper age limit?
Lower limit, I would say 13, 14. If they're younger than that, they can do it with the parents. Upper limit, there is no age limit as long as you can do the practice. All right. Meenal is asking 60 to 70 years old people, what will they do? Those who cannot pay your fee. Like Meenal, like what I told you, there is an EMI option. You can take the EMI option. That's the best suggestion I can give you. Or go for the 3 months. Then you will see you can upgrade later also.
Is there any option for personal yoga session?
Personal yoga session, this is a group class. We have teachers, other teachers who offer classes in the field. So you can register and do a personal yoga class with them. With us, it's only centrally.
My mother has rheumatoid.
Bias Dev Sharma is asking, please let me know, since I did 14 days yoga challenge and lost 9 kg weight. Is it possible that happens due to yoga? Oh, that's nice. In 14 days, you lost 9 kgs. Wow. Of course. Why not? Like I told you, you saw the experience. There are people who have lost like 17, 18 kgs. People have lost 11 kgs, 9 kgs. 100% possible. So, because what yoga does, yoga regulates the system. It regulates the functioning of the body. Alright.
So there's a question that who are going to be the trainers? Are you two going to take?
Yes, Isha and myself, both of us will be the trainers, so you don't have to worry. Alright, I have joined the 12 months program. Indu, awesome Indu. So we'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Yes.
Offer price कब तक available होगा?
24 hours. आज रहेगा.
Do you provide QR code for payment as there is some problem through link you have provided?
Please write to the email ID. Can you show the email ID please? You can also see the contact details in the description. You see the WhatsApp number. Please write to us on the WhatsApp. We will get back to you to help you fix it.
Sangeeta Gupta is saying Google number भेजे पे करना है लेकिन हिंदी में मैं समझ पाऊंगी. मुझे 1 ईयर का करना है, मुझसे रजिस्टर नहीं हो
आप
रहा
वो
है.
लिंक है ना, आप किसी का मदद ले लीजिए या हमारा ईमेल आईडी में और व्हाट्सएप नंबर में आप मैसेज करिए. व्हाट्सएप नंबर से हम आपको मदद करेंगे. अब देखिए नीचे व्हाट्सएप नंबर है ना 9035501942. वो करिए. ओके, वेंकटा Subramaniam is asking, as you're little fast, I find difficult to follow fully. Will it be available to beginners? You can always follow the second teacher. All right, because we are having a mixed batch. So the first teacher always does the normal yoga. The second teacher does a simpler version. So you can always do that. All right.
So Sheila ji is saying I've joined. I'm 77.
Yes, awesome. So see you tomorrow. Vinu is paid. See you tomorrow. So all of you, I have joined. Alka is paid. Okay, Parveen. Awesome, awesome. I'm going to see all of you tomorrow. आप सबको कल सुबह मिलूंगा. Okay, face yoga. Just 2 minutes. We'll start.
Runa ji is asking, does the intensity increase in the regular practice,
Yes.
or will it be comfortable like 14 days?
14. It's a mix of both. Even though we will certain asanas, but it will happen over a period of time, not immediately. But always you can adjust between the two teachers and slowly develop the strength in the body.
So Ada is asking, my mother has rheumatoid arthritis. Can you please show something?
Rheumatoid arthritis of which joint? Mainly for the knee joint. Then on our Shishi School of Yoga YouTube channel, then you have the free yoga knee pain video. So that is very good, simple yoga for all the joints. All right, so you can do that.
Harshada is saying you're not taking my question. So if she can post her question again.
Yeah. So some of you, I might have missed the question. So when you're saying that I'm not taking a question, if you can put along with the question, that will be great.
Farida ji is asking, is yoga class available in Pune?
Pune, face yoga or normal yoga?
Normal yoga.
No, yeah, we have our teachers in different places. You can go to our website, artofliving.org, and there is an option, find a teacher near you. There you can find a teacher near in Pune. I'm joining for 12th session. Awesome, awesome, 12 months, awesome. Madhurima, awesome, nice. The videos, library I have paid, Pooja, awesome. So I'm going to be seeing you tomorrow, all of you. Can we use the same link on any device? Yes, Ritu, you can use the same link on any device.
RR Meena is saying.
Karthik is saying EMI option on me on HDFC Bank not come. I didn't understand. Karthik, if you can take help with somebody who has a HDMI card, that will be great. Huh?
SBI बैंक से नेट बैंकिंग नहीं हो पा रहा है. RR Meena is saying.
Don't worry, please. Those of you are having issue with the registration, please message us on 90355019942. That will be great. All right, so we'll help you there. I have registered Manju. Awesome, Manju. See you tomorrow.
Ravindraji is saying, I have back pain. Can I join?
Yes, definitely. It will help you improve your back pain. But I would say if it's a back pain because of some injury, then you take doctor's help. If it's a chronic pain because of postural issue, because of sitting for too long, definitely this will help. Vasanti Balaji has registered. Awesome, Vasanti. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. This shows the commitment you have towards your health. Suman is asking, my daughter is in Canada. Can she join? Absolutely yes. Yes, you can join. Internationals also can join. Kanchan, 3 month may be regular classes hanging. The classes are same whether it is 1 year, 6 months or 3 months. We will be doing the same classes. Just one more minute, then we will begin with the face yoga.
Harshada has posted her question. Is it good to do yoga after delivery? My baby is 8 months old now.
I think, did you have a C-section or a normal delivery? If yes, it's a C-section, if it has healed, you can definitely start with yoga. If it's a normal delivery, you can start right away. Only that if it's still not healed a little bit, then avoid asanas that concern contraction of the navel and the stomach region. Rest is good.
Divyesh is saying the YouTube links of these sessions do not open when in restricted mode in YouTube settings. Can you please do something to make it available in general mode?
If you have registered the link that comes to you, you will be able to open it. Alright. So it shouldn't be a problem because people from all across the globe are using the same links. We have not faced any issue like that. Alright. Only that, yeah. If you'll have to check it once again.
Will it help in endometriosis? Vishakha Gupta is asking.
Yes, endometriosis will definitely help, but during your periods, I would say take 2-3 days break. That is very important. Huh?
So there's one more question.
Okay,
Can
is it
seniors?
useful in perimenopause? Absolutely yes. Desert Garden, Manisha, definitely it will help you during your menopause time, perimenopause time, women with osteoporosis. This is a beautiful practice. This is a beautiful routine. People with diabetes, this is going to be helping you a lot. I have seen people with hypertension, it has helped them reduce a lot of their conditions. Diabetes, people have are feeling so good, their diabetes is very much in control. Because what is happening, most of these issues are lifestyle hormonal issues. With yoga, it's one of the best supporting mode to improve your health. Alright, sleep quality will improve. Anila is saying, I will register within 1 hour as I'm out. Awesome Anila, so I'll be seeing you tomorrow.
So there's a
Mommy
question.
Santra is asking, sir, answer my question. Offer price फिर कब available होगा? 24 hours तक है. Alright, it is available for 24 hours. You can join there. You are not taking my Nilgiri music, so I have posted my question in the WhatsApp. Please reply. I have registered for 12 months. Nilgiri, what is the question? Music. I underwent angioplasty in the month of August 2024. Shall I begin? Join. I would, Santosh, you can do with light yoga. See, we also give you a ebook on contraindications. So people with heart issues like avoid forward bending, going down, and a lot of fast breathing you can avoid. All those things you can avoid.
Shakuntala
Just
ji is-
2 more questions and we'll begin with the face yoga.
Shakuntala ji is saying, for payment, I want to opt credit card of my son who is in UK. Is it possible to do that?
Yes, absolutely yes. You can take the help of others.
And
Okay.
Ada has posted that her mother
Geeta
has
Murugan, yeah.
her mother has arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, pain mostly in hands and shoulders.
Yeah. Definitely you can do. So you just see all these Sukshmayam simple exercises will definitely help you. Alright.
Is it helpful for perimenopause?
Absolutely, yes, I've taken that question. Absolutely, yes. Okay. Geeta is asking, I have suffered from disc bulge. Can I join? Yes, Geeta, you can join. I hope you are not having disc bulge right now. Always, when you have disc related issue, avoid forward bending. Extreme forward bending you need to avoid. That is one thing you need to take care of. Rest you can do. Every other thing you can do. Forward bending you need to avoid. Ipsita. So many questions are coming in.
Ipsita is asking, if I upgrade in a month, will I get the offer price for the upgrade?
Yes, if you upgrade, if you register now and you upgrade within a month, you will get the offer price. But if 1 month passes, then you won't get the offer price.
Geetanjali is asking, is there a yoga course for seniors with vertigo?
There are some cautions that you can take, like head rotations, movements. We don't have a separate senior citizen batch, but you want personal attention, then you can check out our website. You can join with any teacher separately so that they can guide you. But the classes we do for general normal conditions, this class is more than enough. One more question, then we'll begin the...
Is there any pause system? If any problem and I can extend the validity of package, is this possible?
There is no pause system. So once you start with the classes, then it keeps going on. So you can't pause it in between. Okay, so shall we quickly take some, what we'll do is we'll do 5-10 minutes of face yoga, then we'll come back to the questions. जिन लोगों का questions हैं और बात करना है, हम face yoga की बात शुरू करेंगे. अभी हम face yoga का session शुरू करेंगे. All right, ईशा जी, over to you.
Namaste everyone. How are you all doing? कैसे हैं सब लोग? We'll just take a quick 10-minute breather from the questions and we'll do some face yoga. 10 मिनट का एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं हम questions के लिए, face yoga के लिए. फिर वापस से हम प्रश्न लेंगे आपके. We are going to take your questions after face yoga, so stay with us. रहिए आप हमारे साथ. face yoga के बाद हम और प्रश्न लेंगे आपके, ठीक है? So काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं face yoga कब शुरू करेंगे? Let's start. Let's do a gentle massage of the neck and the shoulder region. थोड़ा गले का, कंधे का थोड़ा सा gentle massage करेंगे. आप काफी टाइम से बैठे हुए हैं. You've been sitting for quite some time. So let's do a little massage. We'll relax our neck and shoulders. थोड़ा विश्राम दे अपने कंधों को, गर्दन को. Some neck movements, shoulder movements. And after this, we will start with some jaw movements and some massage for the jaw. Many of us, we say, how do we tone our jaw? See, many things are dependent. Many factors determine, like maybe a double chin or a sculpted jaw. But we are going to do little exercise. Take the first 2 fingers and the thumbs, पहली 2 उंगलियों को और अंगूठों को ले लें और धीरे धीरे अपने jaw को pinch करना शुरू कर दें. From the center, go all the way to the sides, all the way up to the ears. Pinch करते हुए थोड़ी से कान तक जाएंगे. You can keep your neck straight. I am just looking up for you to see properly. आप सीधा रख के करिए गर्दन को. Remember, it is always upwards. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ हम करते हैं फेस योगा में सब कुछ. And relax. Now, take your tongue and keep it above the upper lip. अपने upper lip के ऊपर रखेंगे टंग को और टंग को हिलाना शुरू करेंगे. We'll make a circle with the tongue. Now go to the cheek. दाएं गाल की तरफ जाएं. नीचे towards the chin, under the lower lip. Left cheek, बाएं गाल की तरफ. See, move your tongue very slowly. धीरे धीरे हिलाएंगे अपनी जुबान को. And keep your tongue as close to the lips as you can. Lips से जितना पास में रख सकते हैं tongue उतना अच्छा है. Now opposite. Make another circle. बाईं तरफ से. And relax. This is very good to strengthen the orbicularis oris muscle. यहाँ पे जो muscle होती है उसको मजबूत करने में, टोन करने में ये बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. Now we'll do the pinch again. एक और बार हम pinch करेंगे. Now this time we move from, you see these lines, ये जो lines होती हैं जब आप smile करते हैं जो बनती है, यहाँ से we will start pinching from close to the lips all the way to the nasal labial area. Again, from the lip to the nose. Lip से नाक तक. Pinch and keep there. पिंच करके वहां पे रहेंगे. अगेन नीचे आ जाएं एंड कंटिन्यू. चालू रखें. This is very good to make your skin plump and firm around this nasal labial area. जो नाक के हमारे पास का एरिया है, यहाँ की स्किन को अच्छा फर्म बनाते हैं ये. I hope you all are smiling because without smiling there is no face yoga. आप मुस्कुरा रहे हैं तो आप फेस योगा कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज सब कोई एक्सरसाइज है बस. And relax. Now puff the area around the upper lip region. जो upper lip है उसमें थोड़ा हम हवा भरेंगे. और अब we will move from the upper lip to the right cheek, the lower lip area, and then the left cheek. And we'll make opposite circle. हम दाएं गाल से नीचे जाएंगे, बाएं गाल से ऊपर की तरफ, और फिर एक उल्टा सर्कल बनाएंगे. Okay, let's start. For this, it is very important that you keep your lips firm. Firm रखेंगे अपने lips को. And keep breathing in and out normally. सांस अंदर बाहर लेते रहेंगे. You don't have to hold the breath. Now opposite direction. And relax. Now puff your face again. अपने चेहरे को फिर से फुलाएंगे. And place one hand in front of the lips. Again, make your lips firm. And fill your mouth. अपने lips को tight रखेंगे और अपने चेहरे को फुला लेंगे. If you want to keep inhaling and exhaling in between, you can take a little break in between. आप चाहें तो बीच में थोड़ा break ले सकते हैं. सांस अंदर बाहर लेते रहें. Place your now left hand in front of the mouth. Make sure that your face is nicely puffed and firm. And start tapping your right cheek. दाएं गाल पे थोड़ा tap करना शुरू कर देंगे. If you want, you can only puff one cheek. चाहे तो एक ही cheek को puff कर सकते हैं. And relax. Now the left cheek. So place your right hand in front. Make your face nice and firm. Lips are firm. Puff your left cheek. And now we will tap. Remember, from down to up. Will not come down, up to down. नीचे से ऊपर जाना है. And relax. So this face puffing and tapping on the face, like the puffer fish जो हमने भी किया है, this is very good to, like it's a very good strengthening exercise to lift and firm the cheek area. ये cheek area के लिए, आपके गाल के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी firming exercise है. ठीक है, और मजबूत भी करते हैं यहाँ के muscles को. So that's it from my side. ये फेस योगा में आज हमने ये 5 टेक्निक सीखी है. ये आप रोज प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. You can practice these on your own at home for that nice youthful skin and we'll see you now. We'll go back to the questions and we'll see you tomorrow in the classes. अभी हम वापस प्रश्न पे जाएंगे, जितने भी हमारे प्रश्न बचे हैं अभी लेने के लिए, और आपसे कल मिलेंगे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में. ठीक है, नमस्ते.
Face yoga, you can send some hearts. Let us know how the face yoga session was. Okay, we'll take more questions coming in. Our questions lenge. Songs Ada is asking, sir, my wife age is 32 years old. She has back along with lower leg muscles. She has back along with lower leg muscles. Please guide. You mean pain? आप pain के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं क्या? Yes. Daily classes, daily practice of yoga. See, when we are talking about pain management, it is important to stretch the muscle, relax the muscle.